The next station is Tokyo.
It's round 5 of the 2024 ABB FIA Formula E World Championship. It is time to go racing in Japan. We're on the streets of Tokyo, the first ever E-Prix. Pole position for Nissan here in the final couple of corners, and he does take pole. It's Oliver Rowland by 21 hundredths of a second. Nissan on pole, on home soil here in Tokyo. It's round 5 of the 2024 Formula E World Championship, and we are in Japan for the first time ever. It is time to go racing in Tokyo. Big in Japan, it's lights out and we're racing here in Tokyo. Good start from Oliver Rowland, looking at them all tyres. They've all managed to filter through the first couple of corners relatively okay. So Gunther takes over at the front from Oliver Rowland then. And looking for the inside into turn 3, no way through for the Nissan driver, wants to take victory on home soil. To turn 15, we've seen moves being made. Look at Oliver Rowland on the outside there with Max Gunther. We're side by side for third place as well. Just Dennis holding firm. Gunther's just got enough in his pocket as he comes through the final couple of corners. Maximilian Gunther